Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to play YouTube videos in background. For this, you just have to open your Chrome browser, just open it, and here, just search for YouTube. Just search for it, and here you just have to tap on the three dots, just tap here, and here just enable the desktop site. And now you just have to keep a long press on this, and here tap on open in a new tab. After that, you just have to tap on it again, and then your YouTube will be opened. Here you just have to select the video you want to play. Just tap on it, and then now you can see that the video has been playing. Now go back, and here you can see the video has been playing in background. If I turn off my screen, so you can see it has also been playing. Thank you very much for watching the video.